I was addicted. Straight drop early morning, we was tripping. 4, 5 Glock 9s, rebel kicking. 38s and K's on a mission. Trying to strike a whoever in the field for real. Zanny family kicking off the pills for real. Welcome to the island with a kill for real. Folks selling their body just to pay them bills. Gotta keep it trill, too trill. I wish I could save them. Lord, we need a savior. Can you hear my prayer? I just need this favor.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Buku Love, and I'm back here with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys. Right now, what you're seeing right now is my new 6'6" build, and I have a 6'5" build I'm going to be creating as well. I think 6'5" is the new wave. I just, you know, I want to hurry up and hop on it first before everybody else really like figure it out. Cause I ain't gonna front. I think 6'5" is the new wave. But you heard it here first. But yeah, bro, like this 6'6" gets like a 91 steal, and bro, this build, when I bring this build to y'all, bro, y'all gonna love it, bro. But the build I'm using is the first one I ever used, and I went to the ones for the first time ever. You know, this is my first online ones game, and I usually love playing in the ones. And yeah, I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed this gameplay. I'm already in the game. Yeah. Okay. I'm going against the guard. Shoot 22%. Okay, 6'2". Average 13 though. Shoot, on a 6'2" though? Yeah, I can tell. I'm looking at him right now. Yeah, he trying to get to the paint. Yeah, I can tell that's all he want to do. He want to get to the paint. So I'm on this make it take it. Ain't got no steal, bro. I got blocked though. Best believe I got blocked, bro. Don't play around with me. I'll send that junk to. I'll send it. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna send it to. Thank you. Don't mind if I do, bro. First shot, slightly early. Okay. Now he hitting. Let's go. You said you dropped 100 points from my career game. Nice. Let's go. I love the ones, man. I do. Yeah, I am. No, I'm not winning, bro. I'm losing by a little bit. Only by 3. Got him to shoot. Come on. Let me get that. Alright. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna be like that in the theater? Huh? Oh my goodness. I am. I am. I'm thoroughly. I'm talking about like a what's it called? Like a crock pot. He's getting crock potted right now.
Visionary music.
Get off the court, bro. Bye. Okay. First dub. Shooting 75% from 3. Okay.
Let these tears fall. That peer pressure ain't last, cause my peers gone. I'm taught to God and pray.